Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. This is FX Ninja. If this is your first time of coming by our channel, I want you to go ahead and click on the subscription bell right now and make sure you are subscribed to this channel, because you are about to experience a new turnaround, a new change in your mode of trading. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a powerful strategy, a powerful setup system on how you can use to your advantage the SMC model of trading. Most importantly, many a times whenever we are being presented with a chart like this, we look very confused, especially most of the SMC traders. They look confused and don't know whether this is a break of structure or this is a change of character. So many a times these things tend to confuse a lot of traders, and they often mark their chart several times, and a lot of traders have also failed to develop a very working strategy when it comes to SMC model of trading. Another challenges that SMC traders are facing is that they don't know when to go into the market, especially when the opportunity arises. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you a lot of things. I'm going to be showing you how you can identify a sweep of liquidity using a particular system, a particular indicator. So make sure you don't skip this video at all for anything, because I'm going to be showing you how I am doing it, how we are doing it in our team, and we are making a lot of money from the market. So follow me as I journey you through this very powerful system. Now when you open your chart, this is what you see. This is V25 on a 1 hour chart. Okay, so I'm going to be applying a template right now very fast. Now I'm going to be showing you an indicator that can show you the institutional reference point in the market. Now this indicator will show you where you should expect turning, or the turning point of the market. Look at this place, for example. Look at this area, for example. This area is an area where I expect price to touch, okay, and for price to do what? To come back and maybe hit an order block before proceeding upward. But how do I know? How do I know if I'm looking at the naked chart? Many traders don't know when they are looking at the naked chart like this, and that is why there is an indicator that can help them to cite all these things. This is another now I'm on the 15-minute time frame. Now there is an indicator inside here. You can see the stop hunting zone over here. Now this indicator helps you to identify that this side of the market, especially this low, is a stop hunting low. So, and that is why you have market sweep liquidity down here. Okay, sweep liquidity down here, and after sweeping the liquidity, price is moving back up aggressively. And over here there is another stop hunting, which I just told you earlier. There is a stop hunting here which is going to make price to stop hunt like this, and price is going to reverse to an institutional reference point, maybe this breaker block or anything. Whenever you are trading, there are a lot of market turning points in the chart. We have the mitigation block, we have the order block, we have the breaker blocks, we have the fair value gap, and a lot of institutional reference point like that, which many traders fail to identify. The next template I'm going to be applying right now is going to show you all this. Are you ready? Let's go. Now look at this. Look at this. Let's put it on a 1 hour time frame. Look at what we have here. Now it is very, very obvious now that this over here is a break of structure. BOS, break of structure. You can see it over here. It is a major break of structure, and there is a way we use this system. Whenever we have a major break of structure like this, then we are waiting for a sweep of liquidity like we have here, and of course we wait for our signal right here, and boom, you can see what is actually happening. Let's see if this arrow repaints. Let's go for the back test of this arrow to know if it repaints. We have a signal here, and you can see price went up and come down, and this never disappears. Okay, let's go more. Let's see if we can see more signals. Okay, to certify that this, okay, we have a signal here. You can see we have a signal here. Let's see if price will come back there and maybe it will repaint or not. Okay, price came back. You can see price came back here. All right, if it is a repainting system, this should have disappeared, but you can see price came back there and it never disappeared. So let's see more, if you can get more signals. Right, let's see if we can get more signals to certify that this is not a repainting system. Over there at Learn and Earn, we don't do with repainting system for many of our clients that knows us. You can see this is another signal over here. Let's see if it will repaint. Okay, you see that price came back in there and it never repaints. So this is a non-repainting system. Is a non-repainting system. Whatever you see is what it is on the market. It doesn't disappear, it doesn't repaint, it doesn't lag, and you know, it gives you accurate signal. You can use this system to your advantage on several time frames. You can switch to several time frames and use it to your advantage. And this signal that is ongoing right now, the major thing we are looking for right now is for price to hit this point, okay, and to come back before going for that strong high that you are seeing over there. You can see on the 30-minute time frame, this is a strong high. So this indicator has identified for you that this is a strong high. Note that this is not a support and resistance system. This is not a support and resistance system, but this is a system that lets you know that, of course, this is a strong high where you should expect that market price will turn back, okay, and there is an order block here, so price should turn back in here, because even over here we have an internal order block. Look at how the indicator will identify that while I put the mouse on it. You can see that internal order block. Okay, let's put it over here too. You can see that also internal order block. So we expect price to drop down here. Okay, after dropping down, then based on the analysis, this should go up here to this very next order block. As a matter of fact, we are expecting price to go as far as this point. Okay, so trading our profit and all that on volatility 25. We use this. You can see there is a strong high over here, and this trade coming down, coming here, will be used to clear liquidity over here before price drops back down into this order block here. And this order block over here will be used, will be seen as a breaker block. So it comes back here, and then we can have more rising signal over here. So that this is how we simply analyze the market. There are a lot of strategies to be used with this indicator. There are lots of strategies. I've just shown you one. The next one I'm going to show you is this. Whenever you have a major break of structure like we have here, whenever we have a major, you can see this is a major break of structure. This over here is a minor one. This is a minor break of structure. Okay, so whenever we have a major break of structure over here, what we'll simply look for is that we look for the low over here. You can see price broke down. This is the high that broke this structure. Okay, after it was being broken, what happened? Price went back up. All right, after going back up, this low over here was taken out, and that is a clear of liquidity. If I put it on 15-minute time frame, you will see the indicator telling us that is a stop hunting zone. Okay, it's a stop hunting zone. You can see price took out this low, and what happened? We have a signal over here. We have a signal over here, and this signal is our trade. It is our trade, and you can see what happened. Price really rose up very, very aggressively. The same thing is also happening over here. The same thing is also happening over here. What is happening? Price broke structure. Okay, price broke structure over here, moved back up. All right, and what happened? Price came back to break this low downward. Okay, after breaking it, what happened? We have a signal, and of course we can take this signal here and move up to this very internal order block that is over here. So this is how simply this indicator works. Let's see other pairs. This is okay, volatility 25. You can see what we are also expecting on volatility 25. The same thing, but over here we have a change of character. We have a change of character, and after a change of character, we are expecting this low over here to be taken out. So we are still expecting price to drop down here, and what we have a signal that will take us to this strong high over here. So this is how we use this system very, very effectively. So let's see one of the boom and crash. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000. You can see over here we have a break of structure to the upside, and clearly the indicator is telling us that this side is a stop hunting zone. It's a stop hunting zone. So price stop hunted. Okay, stop hunted this high over here, and what happened? Price came down. Okay, after coming down, we wait for this high to be taken out. Okay, this is a sell signal example right now to be taken out. It has been taken out. You can see over here, you can see it has been taken out, and what happened? We have a signal to sell crash down here. So this is how this system works majorly, and you can see it's very, 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 very powerful. There are also many other strategies on how we use this system. I have just shown you one in this video. In other coming videos, I'm going to be showing you more, and that is why you need to subscribe to this channel right now, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that next time we are updating a new video like this, you will be the first to be notified. And more importantly, before I go, if you are interested in this system, all you need to do is to go to the description of this channel right now and join our trading community on Telegram. Join us on Telegram as fast as you can. You can see on our Telegram channel we are sharing signals with this system. You can see it over here. We are sharing signals with this system. You can see it over here. Okay, you can see some of the results. Okay, this is volatility 75. Okay, we are sharing a lot of good content that can help you to trade to us, that can help you in your trading. Okay, can help you in your trading. I'm going to be showing you some of them. You can see this one is a trend continuation on V75 V10S, where we are looking for a reversal signal. You can see that this is boom 1000, perfectly obeying the structure. So we are sharing the system, we are showing you some of the results and things to expect. Okay, over here we say we are expecting a sell signal, and of course it's really paid off. So this is what you want. This is our previous signal of V75, which gave us a lot of money, and that is this very sell over here, using this sell over here using trend continuation strategy. There is another strategy we call the trend continuation strategy, and you can see that I think we have that here. Okay, you can see that here. What we simply use with this is the Fibonacci, but I'm going to be showing you that in the next video. I'm going to be showing you that in the next video. There's a way we use these our Fibonacci settings to, this is not the normal settings of the conventional settings of Fibonacci. There is a way we use this Fibonacci structure settings to, take advantage of the market. So if this interests you, make sure you comment in this video. You can also like the video, share this video with your friends, and make sure you join our Telegram community so that when next we drop a video like this, you will be notified. Thank you for watching our video. God bless you. Once again, I am FX Ninja. Bye for now.